How to track your orders on eBay. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for ebay.com. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in using your login credentials, that is, your username and your password. And now, to track your orders on eBay, tap on the My eBay option on top of your screen. In the drop-down menu that appears, tap on the Purchase History option. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to see all your processing and shipped orders. Tap on the Processing tab and scroll down to the order you want to track and then select the Track Shipment option, and you will be able to track your order on eBay. So, this is how you can track your orders on eBay. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.